So friends, we are waiting here for the Glyphy Bhaiya to come and give us the vehicle. We went to his home and he told us Satish that he gets up early in the morning, but probably
early morning means
early morning, like 4 in the morning, 4 a.m. But probably last night he might be caught up with some work and he just got up now. So he asked us to wait, so we are waiting for him.
maybe it's early morning 7 o'clock.
That we don't know, but anyhow we are on time and we are waiting for him to come and give us the car, and then we are going to review a wonderful car. So stay connected with North Meet South by Satish and Stuti.
Dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. Time staying strong, need to move.
So friends, this is the car we are we were talking about, and we are in a beautiful place. You can look all through the place. It's nice and green and foggy, right? We are on a top of mountain to view a beautiful car of 2003 generation. It is Maruti Suzuki Zen LXI, right? This car was so very famous and it is still very famous, very popular, very peppy, right? And till now it has a great demand. Even in the market till now, although many cars have launched, but this car is still very much in demand, right? Let's look to the beauty of this car a much more closer way.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
You have the Suzuki logo, a beautiful stylish Suzuki logo with the front grille, split it into 3. Moving down, you have again a dual split over here for the making of the engine quite cool. Wonderful halogen lamps, both the sides with indicators. There's a provision for fog lamp. I think we can do an exterior work if you still need for it, right? If you are in demand. A pretty decent number plate and a body to body color bumper, right? The bumper and the body color is the same. This is an extra beautiful addition that they have done at the bottom of this bumper. Let's look at the side profile. Right, a beautiful cute little indicator, side indicators, very much needed while we are driving, right? And it's little bit curvious from the top part of the door and down it goes straight with these side beamings for a nice protective way. Simple handles, easy and convenient, very simple to open it, right? 4-door car, lovely. Back again we have a Suzuki logo in the middle, nice and sweet, a pretty decent number plate. To open the dicky we have a manual one, right? With the key we need to insert and open the dicky. Zen badge, and on this side, on my right hand side and on my left hand side, Maruti Suzuki badge. Now guys, look at the pattern and the design of the tail lamp. Guys, look at the beautiful design of this tail lamp. Indicator in one color, red in another bubble, and the normal white one in another one. And these 3 silver linings definitely added to the beauty. It looks awesome. A smooth roof, straight and smooth roof with a side panel, a fine beading that is going around, right? They have antenna as well. Now these are extra additional things that is being added on, right, to protect us from rain, because here in Kerala it rains a lot, so this will prevent the water from getting in. Nice huge windshield, right, and 2 wipers. We have a 12 mm tire with an alloy wheel. So alloy wheel wasn't in the stock, it has been added on to, beautify the car. So the size of the car and the proportion with which the tire has been fixed looks pretty nice and cute for me. Actually, they stopped the production in 1996, right? And after that, it took over to Maruti Estilo. And my dad still owns a Maruti Estilo. I was the one to push him to buy that Estilo because I love the sporty look of that Estilo. So guys, getting back to the same car, let's get inside the car and see the other features it has to offer us. Wow, a cute little compact car. Still very convenient, very easy to get inside. A fine fabric upholstery, nice and smooth. We have 2 headrests, which is not adjustable, it is static. No headrest for the person to sit in middle. Actually, I guess it is supposed to be only for 4 people. Nice and compact. And back you have a little space over here. You have 2 speakers and a small little space where you can keep a little bit of your bags or some shopping bags if you want. Down backside, definitely you have a dicky to keep your things. Talking about, I would say under thigh support is quite good. Being such a small cute car, it's quite good and comfortable. I've got a pretty decent height and it's enough headroom is there. Even the leg room, it's not that compact and it's not that much spacious, so pretty decent enough for a small cute car like Zen, right? Talking about the window, simple styling, very simple styling, and a place to put on your fingers if you want to hold or have a better grip. You also have a handle on top when you're moving, going in a curvious road, right? The front 2 are the power windows and back ones, both of them are manual. So sometimes it's taking a little bit time to go up, but then still it is fine. Nothing bad about it. It is not a flat floor. It has a bump in the middle. So the person, if you want to accommodate a 3rd person in the middle, should be a small kiddo, right? Then it won't be difficult for that person. And a pretty decent space for us. Good seating posture, right? You can have lots of, big windows are helping us to have a very nice view from both the sides, and also the windshield is quite large. So let's go in the front seat and check out the details over there. So let's get into the car. A nice steering wheel with a Maruti Suzuki written on that. Nice horn, it works well. The AC, you have a vent over here for the driver, and you have a dual split AC in the middle with all the features of AC along with the heater. You can increase, reduce it. You have a blower, right? You can set the temperature. A pretty decent music system, right? You have another vent over there as well. And let's check out the glove box. Oh, even though it is a small car, cute car, but still it has enough space to, keep the things. Let's close it. You have the mirror over here. You have these panels for sunshade while driving, and for the co-passenger, for the co-driver, there is no vanity mirror. No worries. You have the side handles over here for holding it, and a little bit different pattern of the door, which I can see from here, right? It's little different than the back one, with of course we can use this for power windows, right? Pretty enough space in the front, a flat, nice, comfortable space to stretch out our legs, right? You have a dual cup holder over here, some small space to keep your things, right? It's a 5-gear manual transmission, and you have a manual hand brake over here, right? No armrest as such. You have seat belts, and let's look to the dial over here. It says it can go to 160 kilometers per hour. You have the fuel indicator, and also the fuel indicator onto your right, and also we can check out the engine, how much it is heated, right? And some other switches over here as well. I don't know for what it is, but there is a switch over here. A small cute little space. I like this small triangular space, you know, to keep some small coins or something that we sometimes will be in need of it. You have a charging point over here, right? Wonderful. And of course the driver's seat side, on that side you will have all these you know, for locking of all the 4 doors, right? And a small quirky handle over here to tow it. Talking about the mirror, a cute little size of the mirror, right, which will help us to drive well. And it is adjustable. This side one, it is adjustable through this manual lever. Okay guys, so let's check it out. Where is the light? Yeah, this is the light. Cute little light with a simple push on and off button. Yeah, great.
Go for a ride. Let's go for a ride. The best thing I like about this car is, you know, as we said, it's a driver's car.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, it's a driver's car. One of the cutest car we have ever seen. I have ever seen. Gear shifting is a little bit, you know, I think that's the only concern I'm having it. Not having that smooth gear shifting in this car, maybe because of. But other than that, it looks nice, right?
How you feel?
We are getting the feel, right? The steering will give a very nice, you know, but we need to have a, you know, better road to have a good ride, no?
Smooth ride,
Smooth ride.
Correct.
Yeah.
It was a foggy day in the morning. There's
Yeah.
been lots of fog, even on the windshield.
Yeah. Correct.
We are actually on a bumpy road, on a mountainous road.
Yes. We feel great, you know, this car. So let me.
How is the
Nice.
reversing?
Nice.
Good.
Smooth. Okay, let's go up.
You feel a peppy feeling?
Yeah, we got that peppy feel in this car.
Wow, what's the power?
This is all about this car, guys. Yeah.
Even though it's a cutie cute little
Yeah.
car, but see the I love that sound. Cool.
I really like it, and it's like a go-karting, right?
Yeah.
First time I'm riding this car.
Zen, yeah. Estella is quite heighted.
Yeah.
This is quite grounded,
Yeah.
right?
This
And
is
of
really
course,
cool.
I mean, as the year passes by, the refinement of the engine, the styling of the vehicle keeps changing.
Yeah.
But still, it is you know, pretty good drive in this.
Yes. So we're gonna keep it here because our friend has to go for work.
Yeah.
So we'll catch up in the next time,
Yeah.
right? I really like this. It wasn't a longer one because he has to go for his work.
Yeah.
And we'll catch up Glyphy again to have a longer ride. I really like it. I mean, first time I'm driving this car.
Yeah.
Sorry for my hair. It's already long, and I was putting my headgear for you know, FPP.
Yeah.
That's why it's looking a little bit untidy. I mean, that's not the matter.
Yeah.
The fact of the matter is,
Beauty of this.
this car looks great. The car feels great.
Yeah.
And this is the car, you know, Maruti has to, you know, proud of it.
Yes.
I don't know why Maruti is bringing up, you know, such a lossy cars off late when they had a wonderful car like in their kitty. Yeah, correct?
Yeah. And till now, it is in great demand.
Yes.
Till now, this car is in great demand. All the the production has stopped. They kept on changing the bringing different variants. But still, such a cute little peppy car, very popular and very comfortable and very easy on your pocket. I mean, it started with like 3.5 lakhs when it was it was launched, right?
Yeah.
And the top end variant, you will get it for 4.5 lakh. Pretty easy for commoners to buy, right? But we are so sad that this car is no more in production.
Yeah.
But we would love to have even this car as one of our, aside ones to keep it in our garage.
So looks like we need to have bigger garage. Actually.
Yeah, we need to have a big garage because we are liking all these kind
I
of.
mean, all will be all can happen only if you like this video, share this video,
Yes.
and subscribe our channel.
it.
And we will come back with another wonderful video again.
Yeah.
Till then.
Take care. God bless. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.